Summer's over and 72 million women will switch from summer clothes to fall clothes this weekend. Better hire a pro that's going to help you let go. Hey, are some things a bit dated? Purchased back when Star Wars was a movie? Well, you're about to be rescued. Hi, I'm KK. I'm the founder of the BRA, and I'm going to help you let go of some bras and let good-fitting bras in.
And I'm Charmaine, and I'll help you shed some clothing with the 3 B's: buckets, bins, and bye-byes.
Have I done this alone the whole time? She wasn't kidding when she said bins. Decision time. Okay. And keep the brown, gold, orange, and green. And it's faster with a pro. And more time for swings and hammocks. And yeah, we recycled a couple of bras too. What was I thinking?
It's time to let go and get a pro. Treat yourself. $85 trial fee. Book today and get organized.
So my friend Charmaine, FOR, is offering a trial fee, $85. There'll be an email so that you can contact her directly. She's really changed my life, what I wear and what I don't wear. I kind of put her up to this, as you can see from the video, but take advantage if you're switching from summer to fall. It's easy and quick, and she's really good at it. As promised, here's her email, LoriDerica@outlook.com. Let go and let good-fitting bras in.
I'm sorry, I don't remember what I was saying.